So this is Ubuntu 25.10 and this is the latest release. So I already downloaded the ISO file, which is about 5.5 gigabytes, and I created a bootable USB drive with Rufus. I'm going to select try or install Ubuntu. So here you have to choose your language. This is the accessibility settings. You can configure any one of these. Select your keyboard layout. I'm going to leave it as English. Connect to the internet. So this computer that I'm installing Ubuntu in is already connected to the internet via Ethernet cable. What do you want to do with Ubuntu? So there are two options. Install Ubuntu alongside or instead of your current operating system, or try Ubuntu. I'll select the first option, install Ubuntu. How would you like to install Ubuntu? I'm going to select the first option, interactive installation. What apps would you like to install to start with? There's a default selection, there's an extended selection. I'll choose extended selection. And this offers office tools, utilities, and web browser. Install recommended proprietary software. I'm going to select both of these. Third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, and download and install support for additional media formats. So this is the disk setup. So I'm going to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. You can choose manual installation if you would like. Encryption and file system, no encryption. And here you have to create an account. I'll enter a password. So I'll require a password to log in. I'm not using any Active Directory. So here you have to select your time zone. This is correct, location and time zone. And here you have to review your choices. If you want to make any kind of changes, you just have to click on the back button. I'm going to click on install. So installation is complete. I'm going to restart the computer now. So this is the desktop and this is the default wallpaper. So on the top right, there's the power icon, speaker icon, and network icon. So there's a do not disturb button. I can configure the power mode here. This is the settings icon. So the screenshot icon is here. I can make a selection and take a snapshot of the screen. I can also record the screen. So these are all the apps. LibreOffice is installed by default. I'll open settings. This is network. I can configure VPN. This is Bluetooth. This is displays. This is the sound settings. This is the power settings. multitasking. This is appearance. So these are some of the wallpapers. I can also change this theme to dark theme. I can change the colors here. I'll leave it as default. This is the desktop icon settings here. So this is a show home folder. Right now it's on. I can take that off. This is the dock settings. I can auto hide the dock. I just have to move this to the left. So on the panel mode, the dock extends to the screen edge. I can turn that off. I can configure the dock behavior. So the trash icon is here. I can turn that off and it's removed from the dock. So the dock right now it's on the left. It's on the bottom and it's on the right. I'm going to leave it on the left. This is the apps. I'll select default apps. So right now the only web browser is Firefox. If I have more than one, I can configure the default here. This is notifications. This is search. This is online accounts. This is sharing. So I'll open the file manager. I'll select the documents folder. So if I want to do a search, I'll select search current folder and there's a filter tab here. I'll create a new folder. I'll open the pictures folder and I have some pictures here. So this is the new improved image here. So it's GNOME 49. So I can edit this picture. I'll click on reset. So I'll open the terminal app. So I'll see if Vim is installed. So Vim is not installed. So it gives you the command here to install Vim. Sudo apt install Vim. So Vim is installed. So I'll check if VLC Media is installed. So VLC Media is not installed. I'll install VLC Media. And I'm going to open VLC Media. So I'll open the App Center. So I'll open the Calendar app. I'll open the Settings app. I'll click on Systems and click on About. And this is the system details. Hardware information, software information. The GNOME version is 49. Its default is Wayland. The kernel version is 6.17. I'll open Library Writer. So this is the version. So this was just a quick overview of Ubuntu 25.10. These are some of the specs. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.